Hey guys, I made 4-leaf clover toppers using streamer. First I cut the tip off one end of the toothpick. Avoid touching the other end. Next I folded the streamer so that it looked like a square and cut it. Then I folded it 2 more times. The side with one fold is on the left. Starting from the bottom center, cut toward the right side. At the halfway point of the streamer, cut a curve toward the left side. Unfold it and you should have 4 leaves. I folded the ends, held the middle part of the streamer, opened the leaf and flattened it so that it looked like a heart, and twisted the other side. Repeat this with the other leaves. I gathered the leaves and cut the twisted part in half. I also cut a strip of streamer. Next, glue the 4 leaves around the flat end of the toothpick. Add glue to the strip, wrap it around the leaves, and twist it. I pressed slightly above the toothpick so the end of it wouldn't show. Then I made more. Add them to your dessert. I didn't have cupcakes or brownies, so I placed them on cookies. And here's how they turned out.